Alright, let's get going, eh? So, essentially, fairly, I've already had a good day. I've already hit daily profit target on this eval, past the eval. Now looking to take trades on the funded. Let me just get this. On NQ, I'm looking for this LR to be swept. However, we have bullish SMT and also some SMT inside this hourly. For commodities, we have this data wick, but we also have this external high that I want to see get tapped. Fairly simple setup for today, or setups. But we're in a clear market maker buy model now on gold. Sorry, on silver and gold as well. And yeah, but this external high would like to get swept. But it is a bit suspicious because we have this data wick that has not been swept. So I will never fade a data wick as a draw. So that's the bell. Not really sure what we're going to get today, but I'm going to open NQ on this. I'm going to be setting alerts. I'm not taking anything until either data week swept or external high swept. That's it. This trend line looks like it's going to get ran right about now. This data week was already swept before we had this. I was looking at this really nice PO3 entry. Clean, aggressive 2-minute inversion. And 3-minute, literally like every high time frame candle, like 5. But this data week was already swept. So I faded it. I was like, nah. We're delivering from this 5. Oh, maybe I was just a retard. That would have been such a free trade. That's SMT at London low. Would I want to take a trade off that? Not really. Why? Because we have this LR that needs to be ran. So that is why. I wouldn't really want to take this. And also this London low is not really inside of anything too particular. It's not inside of an external low. It's literally just another swing low. So I would ideally want this more liquidity to be taken out of the market right now before I consider an entry. However, AS looks like it's very bullish. But again, the draws to the upside aren't really that good. We have literally, we're delivering from this 4 hour. And this hourly, so I wouldn't really want to see longs play out. Maybe a long to the, no, we had a 15-minute inversion too. Probably going to flush these lows, which is nice. I mean, we never even closed below that London low, which is a fairly bullish sign. Must have been a 2-minute gap just formed. Oh, no. Would I take this? I mean, it's a good question, bro. I wouldn't really want to, because like I would literally just go for a nice base hit, a nice 1-to-1. But that rotation's clean. like really clean. I just don't trust it because I think ES might be in a 5. Yeah, I'm fading this. I will not be taking that. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Even if this goes inverse, I would probably not want to take it just because of where ES is at. We literally inside this 5. And this inversion's not very strong. We also have a lot of draws down here and also delivering from these higher time frame gaps. I don't trust this at all. Do not trust longs right now. Oh, silver, bro. Silver, man. Oh, wow. Hold on. Hopefully it doesn't run like hella, bro. Yeah, I can maybe try one on silver. No, bro, I missed the entry. I missed the entry, bro. Oh, we dead ass right now. I'm not FOMOing into this, but that would have been the entry right there off that 1 minute inversion. Bro. Oh, are we serious? We literally have relative equal highs at previous day's high. This is free, bro. Oh no. Oh. Oh wait, no. Wait, what was previous? Yeah. Oh, brother. Yeah, we're gonna just run up. That sucks. That honestly just sucks. That's really unfortunate. FOMOing in there would not be a good, like our feel would have been like here. We would have had to run stops. Like yeah. Ah, oh, no big deal. And Cuba. The setup literally is playing out. Look, it's moments like this where you just have to sit back and just cry. Clear New York manipulation on literally both commodities and indices. But oh, the draws, I just don't like longs on there. No way edges out like that. We do have equal highs. Well, we swept that high out. This is such bro. This setup is like A plus. There's no way. It would have been negative R. Like it's just free. I mean, would have obviously been break even by now as well. So now the trader is invalid. And again, this NQ setup's running. Oops. It's barely got that 2 minute. Not even a 2 minute. People are probably punching the air right now. So I know a lot of people took this trade. 100%, bro. So many people took that trade. But like that would have been one and done in like 5 minutes. Oh, that is actually really annoying. I mean, here's what it is though. Not FOMOing into anything now. Like two very nice setups on both pairs. Previous day's high swept on this. However, gold is extremely close to this external high, so I don't really trust shorts. But this data wick is still open. And we have a really nice LR sort of built down here. But this trade idea was just A plus really. Manipulated into this 30-minute gap. This wick opened about, where did it open? It opened here, yeah. So this candle opened here. Pair 30 manipulation put in this wick of this hourly candle. Clean, aggressive 1 minute inversion. Target previous day's high. Literally relative equal highs at previous day's high. Doesn't really get more A plus than that for the Haas model. And then boom, delivered just like that. But missed the entry, and I'm not FOMOing in, trying to catch a 0.4 risk to reward. Doesn't make sense to me. But that's the discipline you sort of need to have sometimes. But watching a trade play out like that perfectly does hurt, but nothing we can really do about it. It happens. Alright, let's look at this now. Because we have now tapped into this. But this is just so bullish based off that New York manipulation profile. The daily profiles that I sort of teach, we also have a 5-minute inversion, so I wouldn't really like shorts. Maybe if AS sweeps this external high inside of this 4-hour, inside of this hourly. We didn't get an hourly inversion. We have some SMT into this first presented hourly. This LR like is just juicy. I'm surprised we didn't come and run at all at market open. But I know like everybody would have taken this off that 1 minute. I just don't trust it. Yeah, no setups now. I literally missed the move of this. Missed the move, bruh. Ah, apologies for not talking much. I'm looking at this now, by the way. Potential short on silver down to the data wick. I just do not like how we've left this open, like at all. Maybe if we can get this. 4-minute inversion is the highest. But like, bruh, look at these 1-minute gaps. We got highest time frame inversion there. Bruh. Bro, this ring, I literally just burst my eardrum, I think. Because of that. I don't know if you guys heard that. But I literally just burst my eardrum, bro. You cannot make that up. Would I try this? I mean, no, I would not. I'm not trying to convince myself to take this. But because this just looks like a classic. But this LR's good and we have a data week, bro. We have a really clear draw. But this just isn't. Like, as soon as we hit this, we just rejected. Maybe not. Bro, this data week just needs to be taken. But like, I just don't like how we're moving from. Yeah, I just don't like how we're moving on. But nice sweep of previous day's high on silver. But no aggressive inversion. No inversion there either. Fade. The CISD level is literally down here too. But highest time frame is sort of a baby R. But holy, this is sort of getting. What is going on there? Holy manipulation, bro. I think this candle is going to be very explosive. It's going to be a very impulsive candle. Based on how like this was that last candle was moving, a lot of orders being placed in that candle. Would I try CISD? Oh, I don't trust it. Just don't. Because we just left this external high untaken. Where's the CA of this gap? I mean, this week. Yeah, we tapped it. But again, I do not trust this at all, bro. Sitting and waiting, as per usual. This one trade, I'm still annoyed about that, but it is what it is. I would rather a resweep of this high. A nice clean resweep. Then we can target this data wick. There's no way it just leaves that open, bro. Had a 5 minute change in state down here. I think it's probably gonna flush these lows now, but not taking that. How many times he retested previous day's high? There to the tick exactly as well. But here, something to notice here, we tap this daily open. See what this does. 30-minute tapped. I think we might be waiting here for a little bit for a nice entry. Like if we took this 1 minute inversion, we would be profit. Go ahead, previous day's high. NQ shorts actually look good to be fair. Like delivering from a 15 5 minute inversion on NQ. Respecting this 1 minute. I just don't like how you'll be trading against low resistance liquidity. And you have to go break even like very early. But I mean you could take it down to previous day's low. No, I don't trust it. Do not trust it at all. I will be going to the toilet and I'm going to come back because there's nothing really on right now in terms of setups. And that is why we do not trust the 5 minute inversions when you're fighting low resistance liquidity like these. Hmm. This is looking nice though. Okay, so I'm trying one there. We'll be going break even at this external high. Oops. Stop loss semi in a bad position, to be honest, but I would rather leave it out here, but I can't really. Nah. It's at the CA of this 1 minute order block. And then just targeting a 1-to-1. Because we have this external 4-hour high up here. However, this looks really sus. This is literally a negative. But 30-minute FVG manipulation to that, it's literally the exact same trade idea as the other trade. Inversion on all time frames. Because we are holding that previous day's high level, which I really like. Five-minute candle with no bottom wick. Oh, this 10 a.m. candle's literally about to open as well. We could get cooked here. We could get cooked. I mean, we have that. this 10 a.m. candle got for us, eh? I think we're probably going to manipulate lower because we haven't put in a bottom wick yet of this. This PA is not clean. It's literally just a seek and destroy profile that I'm watching right now. Like everything about this price action, seek and destroy. Bro, holy accumulation. What is going on here? Price is very indecisive right now, but that's our break even. Above that external high. Gold's literally about to. The actual gold's about to take that external high that I've got marked out. No way, it just turtle soups a high and just doesn't go for it. Jeez, that external high is so close as well. Hmm. Alright, based off that rejection, we're going lower. GG, bro. Like, why are we not taking that external high, look, bro? It's literally right there. NQ looks so ass, bro. Holy, look at that. What is this? Well, JJ on that trade. Maybe if we can sweep this external high. Bro, like, why are we not eating that? Would I try this down to the data week? Because, like, to be fair, this is a very, very protected high. Yeah, just wanted to tap into that gap clearly. Now we're probably going to come take this external high. Horrible PA. Horrible PA. Where's this 5 minute gap here? Okay. Well, those alerts are set. If I get an alert, then I'll take it. But this. Do we get an hourly inversion? Nah. Take Asia low. Should run all this LR. Hmm. Look at this, by the way. Joke. Absolute joke. Lou just broke even rated us and ran. Like, What do you want me to do about that, bro? This is clean though. All this LR above. Alright, that's an entry there. Hmm. 2 minute gap tapped though. Don't really like that, do I? I'll go break even at the AQ of this range maybe, but final TP is all up here. Asia low sweat. Nice 1 minute inversion. Like, if we're just gonna continue to chop around, I will not be happy. Need some explosion, bro. Alright, well, might regret this, but that's the break even at the AQ of this range. Big push. Actually, we're in a bit of profit here. I'm gonna take 2 off, and then I'll leave the rest to run. Take 1 off at this. Sorry, I'll take another 2 off, and then final TP will be up here. Come on, lad. Look at these equal highs. Those are tasty. I know you want the main queue. Like, do it, bro. Just take it, little bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Do I take 1 off? No. Boy, just take those relative equals, little bro. Bro, you're so close to those relative equals, bro. Come on. Alright, well, another, bruh. Like, another day another max daily profit target hit. Bang, I guess. Clean on the funded account. Let me move this over so you know I'm not a little liar. I'll put this over here for now. Boom, on this account. Oops, already hit daily profit target on this account. Pass the account. Here's the weekly stats so you know I'm not a fake guru. Literally only traded these 2 accounts this whole month. Took these 2 trades and then boom. Took an L on, what was it, on Tuesday. Didn't take a trade Wednesday. 2 back-to-back winning days. Starting off the year right, boys. Insane week to start the week off. That's me done for the week. Wish you all a very lovely weekend. And thank you for watching. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. Good week for me. Hope you guys had a good week as well. See you in the next one, boys. Cheers.